Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of travel gear.
And I'm excited to introduce you to what many consider to be the best luggage brand for international travel. The Samsonite Omni PC Hardside Expandable Luggage with spinner wheels.
This suitcase isn't just your average travel companion. It's a game-changer for jet-setters and adventurers alike.
With its durable construction and thoughtful design, it's no wonder why this luggage has garnered rave reviews from travelers around the globe.
Let's talk about what sets this suitcase apart from the rest. First off, its micro-diamond polycarbonate texture makes it extremely scratch-resistant,
ensuring that it looks as good on the 100th trip as it does on the first. And with its side-mounted TSA locks, you can travel with peace of mind knowing that your belongings are secure. But perhaps the most impressive feature of the Samsonite Omni PC luggage is its 4 multi-directional oversized spinner wheels. These wheels provide effortless mobility, allowing you to glide through airports and crowded terminals with ease.
Say goodbye to dragging heavy luggage behind you.
With this suitcase, you'll be rolling in style. Whether you're in need of a carry-on for a quick weekend getaway or a larger suitcase for an extended vacation, the Samsonite Omni PC has you covered. And with color options ranging from classic black to vibrant teal, you can choose the perfect suitcase to suit your style. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers. Captain Puffy says, "This luggage set has truly exceeded my expectations in several ways."
And Tex raves, after numerous trips,
"There's hardly a scratch to be found, and the luggage still looks as good as new." So there you have it, folks. The Samsonite Omni PC Hardside Expandable Luggage with spinner wheels is the ultimate travel companion for globetrotters everywhere.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Until next time, happy travels.